Hello everyone, here we're going to make a cute little bunny using towel hanky. As you can see, we're going to fold the hanky and tie it on the top using rubber band. Make the ears. Similarly, we're going to stuff a cotton or a small cloth inside and keep tying knot using rubber band, paste eyes, and it is ready. Let's make cute teddy bear. Here we're going to roll this towel hanging from both the side and then we're going to tie it using rubber band. Give it shape, make the ears, tie a bow, paste eye. Look, it is ready. Let's make butterflies. So we're going to fold this hanky and then make a square shape. Now pull it down and roll it. Tie it at the center, spread the wings, it is ready. We're going to tie a knot at the center as well. Paste antennas and it's done. Let's make fish using hanky. So we're going to fold this hanky and make a triangular shape. Now roll it and tie a knot using rubber band. Here we're going to make the fins, tie it like this and make the tail, twist eyes, and these are ready. Here we're going to make this fun mouse using towel hanky. So roll the hanky and then make a ball like this. After this we're going to roll it and give it shape. We're going to open it from the side and then we're going to tie a knot using rubber band. Make the ears and look, the tail is ready. Paste googly eyes and it is done. Here we're going to fold this hanky, make a triangular shape and roll it from the sides. Then we are going to tie knot and make the fins and tail. After this we're going to paste eyes. Your fish is ready. Let's roll this hanky from both the sides. Here we're making a cute little elephant. Let's make the trunk. Roll it and tie knot using rubber band. Similarly make the long ears and then we're going to further pull it down. Now take another piece of hanky. Here we're going to make the legs and body. So roll it from both the sides and then we're going to tie knot using rubber band. Paste googly eyes and look how cute this little elephant is looking. It is looking like a soft toy. Here we're going to roll this red hanky from both up and down and then we're going to pull it down. We're making jellyfish, tie knot, paste eyes, and these are ready. Here we are going to fold this green hanky and then we are going to roll it from both the sides. Pull it down, tie a knot. We are making elephant, paste eyes, and it's done. Here we are going to make this cute little cat craft using hanky. So we're going to roll the hanky from top and bottom and then we're going to tie knot using rubber band. Further pull it up and then we're going to divide the ears, tie knot, paste eyes, and look how cute this little cat is looking. Here we're going to roll this white hanky from top and bottom and then we're going to pull it down, tie knot and divide it into two parts. Now take another piece and fold it, make this triangular shape. Now put it back, paste the eyes and it is done. Now take another hanky as well. Here we're going to tie the top. Now combine all three together like we're doing here. Your doll is ready. Here we're going to fold this hanky and make this triangular shape. Now roll it from both the sides, flip it and again roll it like we're doing here in this video. We're making a beautiful heart shape and look, it is ready. Remove it from both the sides. Thank you so much for watching this video.